What's going on, guys? Mike Garcia, your ORL Realtor with eXp Realty. Today is May 27th, 2022, and I'm broadcasting to you from the suburban city of Altamonte Springs, Florida. I wanted to drop this quick video and invite you to our open house event that we're having over the weekend on May 28th between 11 and 6 p.m. and May 29th between 11 and 3 p.m. The property is located at 100 Marcy Blvd in Longwood, Florida, in Seminole County. The house has 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, a resurfaced swimming pool, a brand new roof, and it sits on a gorgeous big corner lot. And the property is also located near top tier schools in Seminole County. Stop by tomorrow, come talk to me, come hang out with me, bring your friends and family if they're shopping for a home, and let's make it a day. Talk to you soon, check out the video, and please leave your comments below. Thank you. Peace.